Hi everyone! Napaka-importante nitong phrases na to na kailangan natin maintindihan at maisabuhay. So sabi dito, when you knock on the door and the opportunity opens, you must stand there as a very attractive persons that you may invited in. And one of the mysterious phrases that Jesus ever used is that here's what he said: I stand the door and knock, and if you open the door, would you probably invite me in? This is the extraordinary persons that might you say, wow. Di ba pag si Jesus Christ nung nag-knock on the door at na-open mo yung door at siya yung nakita mo, sasabihin mo, wow, this is an extraordinary person that you invited to come in and sit down and talk things over the future. And now, here it is. For you to become that kind of attractive person, if you knock on the door, an opportunity opens, and you stood there, ikaw ba yung tipong tao na would you be a kind of person that opportunity said, come in and let's sit down and talk the future? Ikaw ba yung tipong pag nag-knock ka and nag-open yung opportunity, sila ba yung magsasabi na, tara, usap tayo, pag-usapan natin yung future? Ikaw ba yung that kind of persons, that kind of attractive persons na sila yung mag-i-invite sa'yo para pag-usapan yung future? Would you be like that attractive persons like Jesus Christ? When opportunity comes, they invite you to come in and talk the future. Are you that kind of attractive persons? Kung hindi pa, well, train yourself. Be that kind of person, an extraordinary person like Jesus Christ, when everybody invite him to come in and talk the future. Hope this simple motivational talk you learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.